If music starts playing automatically when you open Facebook, it's usually because of video autoplay or sound settings. You can easily turn off this a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the menu icon in the top or bottom corner. Then scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. And after that, tap Settings. Then click Media. Then turn off this option. If your problem is not resolved after making these settings, then try next method. Long press Facebook app. Then click App Info. Click Force Stop. Then click Force Stop. I hope your problem is resolved. If anyone still having problem, please uninstall and reinstall the Facebook software. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.